Hello and welcome to a new episode of the Rebo video blog. My name is Klaus Mochalski, I'm the founder and CEO. In this episode I would like to talk about zero-day attacks. These unknown attacks are usually undetectable by legacy cybersecurity systems like firewalls and intrusion detection systems. I would like to tell you how you can still detect these specific threats against your critical infrastructure. Zero-day attacks use zero-day vulnerabilities. And these are vulnerabilities which are unknown to the general public and unknown to the software or system vendor. Recent examples include NotPetya, WannaCry, and Bad Rabbit, and these were zero-day attacks using the so-called Eternal Blue zero-day vulnerability. Eternal Blue is a vulnerability in the SMB Windows file management system, and it was originally discovered and developed by the National Security Agency of the United States, but it leaked to the public and was then used by several groups to create these zero-day cyber attacks. Another more recent example, specifically targeting IoT devices, is Ripple 20, which is an entire collection of zero-day vulnerabilities found in many IoT devices. We covered this topic in a previous episode. The problem with zero-day vulnerabilities and attacks against them from an operator's perspective is that they are usually detected only if it's too late. Another problem is that legacy cybersecurity systems like firewalls and intrusion detection systems are unable to detect them because of their blacklist approach using signatures, known signatures of cyber attacks. And it's in the nature of zero-day attacks that there are no signatures available yet, so they go largely undetected by these measures. So how do you safeguard your critical infrastructure against zero-day attacks? There's really only one way. Our industrial protector uses a technology called anomaly detection. Anomaly detection learns how the communication in your infrastructure looks like during normal operation. And then, during regular operation of your infrastructure, it does a continuous comparison of any new communication event against this learned behavior. With this approach, you can detect any deviation in the communication profile. And this means that also zero-day attacks, which behave in a totally new way, are still changes in communication patterns, and they are detected by anomaly detection.